What's up everyone, Pat Morgan here, Holiday Valley Resort. It's May 3rd, so we thought we'd take some time to give you our latest update on construction here at the new main lodge. Last time we checked in, we had just shown you our latest time-lapse offering that we've been shooting with Drift Innovation cameras. As of right now here at the job site, we've got most of our exterior walls, elevator shaft, and the stairwell at the west end of the building built. The thing that's been most exciting lately though is we've started placing steel columns and beams. This process started April 30th and it's going to continue through the month of May. In the coming weeks you're going to see the installation of a steel pan, which is going to enable us to pour the concrete floors in the building. The crews on site have been making a ton of progress thanks to this nice weather, so we look forward to bringing you frequent updates in the coming weeks. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more out of us here at Holiday Valley.
How's my hair?
Hello there. Sinkhole door. Uh-oh, it's coming up. Are you rolling?
Yeah. I'm rolling.
Alright, I think I got it. I got my tool belt.